Hello, it's William Jam here. Welcome to my channel. So you're watching a serious video of Godot development, and we pretty much finished this game. So let me show you. And let me quickly run this game so you guys know what's going on. So it's like a replicate of my childhood game. Okay, so I can get the gold ingots. I increase this number here. Okay, increase the number. Okay, if we can't catch it. But here's a bug. As you guys may already know, that once the gold ingots enter the dome, enter the player's area, player's dome, it should disappear. Okay, because you already got this like a number change. It should disappear, but it's not. So I want to test you. Okay, so please pause this video and try to figure it out yourself. And I'm going to wait for you for 3 seconds. And I'm going to show you how this done, okay? 3, 2, 1. Really simple here, right? On player area entered, you got a signal and increase the score. So update that, increase score by 1, and increase the label, okay? By using the latest score, using the sort of a string format, put it, yeah. But we do not delete this area, okay? So what I'm going to do, really simple. Remember previously we got something like this process, okay? So if it's get outside of the viewport, get viewport right? Get size, get y-axis, okay? Once it reaches the end, right? Reaches the end of the y-axis, like we stop the process altogether, and then Q3. So I'm going to use this as well, but in here, in our game. So I'm going to get this specific area and say, hey, on play enter, then it's gone. Okay, you just delete this. So area dot, and then we can say Q3 underscore 3. Okay, really simple. Just delete that. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and so again. Okay, by the way, I'm installing GarageBand. Sorry, I did not show the. Okay, let me do that from start. Okay, so you just error.q3 and it's gone. Okay, let's quickly run this again. Sorry about the switching the window thing. Okay, so let's do that. Boom, gone. Right, 2 gone. If I miss this one, I left one, it will continue to drop. And then reach the end of the screen and it's gone. Okay, so this way is much nicer. Let me zoom in so you guys can see things clearly. Okay, gone. Yeah, so you can actually get this sort of like a feeling because you can actually interact with the elements inside. Okay, so you can get all this gone. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's already pretty good. Yeah, so did you finish that? And yeah, but there's some really critical thing missing here. That's the sound. Okay, I'm trying to make a customized sound, but also I want to make it maybe a thumb, like a menu, like a splash screen, something like that. And enter the menu, start again, like get high score, something like that. So what I'm gonna do is to further modify this, but what I really need right now is some sources that I created for audio. And remember, I also have a channel called Learn Music Free, where I share all this music journey with you guys. So in that specific channel, I'm going to make all these audio resources. So you can check out that channel. Okay, learnmusicfree.com. Okay, it's learnmusicfree.com. Okay, we got with all the hyphen. I'm going to share at that YouTube channel of how I made all this sound, and yeah. So you can of course download some sound effects from online, or you can make yourself. The quickest way is just to use some Audacity or whatever, maybe there's just like a movie I play. Yeah, QuickTime Player. Okay, let me show you. You got a QuickTime Player and new audio recording. Okay, of course, if you're using Windows, you got like a default recorder. You can then record it and click and drag Godot resources inside, sort of serve as a placeholder. But I want do that more versatilely by using the GarageBand. So if you don't know, GarageBand is a Mac specific, I think iPad also and iPhone. So it's maybe is in this Apple's ecosystem sort of app that you can make amazing sound effect. And what I'm using right now is using the is using the MIDI. Okay, so let me make a bigger screen. I'm using this. It's not too expensive. It's really budget less than $100 if you like buy second-handed. And the reason for me using this is that I can at least get some sort of like a MIDI keyboard and some like some pads, so I can actually enter things and test things out rather using the keyboard, because the like typing keyboard, like a corduroy keyboard, but using this keyboard, okay, we can actually press all the notes. Okay, so you're more than welcome to go to another channel to check the process if you are interested. If you don't, you can continue to watch my next video where I add the sound effects, maybe add some more modification for the UI, maybe some intro scene for our game. Okay, see you next video. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.